Have you ever wondered what it's like to trek through the Andes? Picture vast landscapes, towering peaks, and ancient Inca trails. Welcome to the journey of a lifetime where we explore the majestic Andes, the world's longest continental mountain range. The Andes stretch over 7,000 kilometers, spanning 7 countries, from Venezuela in the north to Argentina and Chile in the south. Imagine a range so vast that it influences climate zones, creating a myriad of ecosystems from snow-capped peaks to tropical rainforests. Stunning, isn't it? Now think of trekking through this magnificent landscape. The Andes offer some of the world's most remarkable hiking trails. Some are ancient paths used by the Inca Empire, while others are modern routes attracting adventure enthusiasts from around the globe. One of the most famous trails is the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu. This 4-day trek takes you through breathtaking views of cloud forests, alpine tundra, and several Inca ruins before culminating in the iconic Machu Picchu. But the Andes aren't just about Machu Picchu. There's the Cordillera Huayhuash in Peru, famous for its dramatic peaks and turquoise lakes. And let's not forget the Patagonian Andes with their vast glaciers and rugged beauty. Trekking here is an experience like no other. The altitude can be a challenge, but the reward is worth every step. The Andes offer a unique blend of physical exertion, cultural immersion, and unparalleled natural beauty. What does it feel like to trek in the Andes? Imagine waking up to a sunrise over snow-capped peaks, spending your day traversing ancient trails, and ending with a sunset that paints the mountains in hues of pink and gold. It's an adventure that pushes your limits and leaves you with memories that last a lifetime. The Andes are a testament to the Earth's grandeur and the enduring spirit of the cultures that have called these mountains home. They offer a glimpse into the past, a challenge for the present, and a promise of unforgettable adventures for the future. To recap, the Andes are the world's longest continental mountain range, spanning 7 countries. They offer some of the most stunning trekking routes globally, from the iconic Inca Trail to the dramatic Cordillera Huayhuash. Trekking here is not just about physical exertion, it's a journey through diverse ecosystems, ancient cultures, and awe-inspiring landscapes. The beauty of trekking in the Andes lies in its diversity, its challenge, and its ability to leave a lasting impression on anyone who dares to explore its trails. It's a journey of discovery, of pushing boundaries, and of celebrating the grandeur of nature. So, if you've ever wondered what it's like to trek through the Andes, now you have a glimpse of the adventure that awaits. It's a journey that promises not just breathtaking views, but a truly transformative experience. And remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey, and what a journey it promises to be.